maximize. A free zone is basically an enclosed policy area without resident population in, adjacent to and near a port of entry into which foreign goods are not otherwise prohibited, may be brought without formal custom entry. Formal custom entry. In Nigeria, you have quite a number of them. In Nigeria, they have the following. They are entitled to legislative provision to pertaining to tax, levy, and duty. And estate regulation, they don't have that. Does not apply within this zone. Repatriation of investment in the zone can be done at any time with capital appreciation of the investment. Remittance of profit and dividend earned by the investor in the zone can be done. No import duty, no export duty, no import license, no export license. Up to 1% of the production can be may be sold in the custom territory against a valid permit. Meaning, even though I'm producing there, I'm supposed to be producing for the world. But I can still sell in Nigeria. Only that for you to sell in Nigeria, you now open for men. Do you understand? If someone wants to buy Dangote petrol from that place, he's going to open what? He won't pay duty because we don't pay duty on PMS normally. But he'll still open for men because it's now entering custom territory. That place is not custom territory. Custom does not have jurisdiction to collect duty. But if you are crossing into Nigeria, you pay what? You pay duty. Rent-free land at construction, thereafter rent is paid. Up to 100% foreign ownership of business in the zone. Foreign manager and disqualified and qualified personnel may be employed by company operating in the zone. What's interesting about people in Nigeria is that they are mainly occupied by foreigners. Because when foreigners come in, they are looking for this kind of opportunity. The majority of Nigerian businesses are not even aware such zone exists, and they don't even know what it means to be in that zone. So foreign businesses, when they come in, they engage a lawyer to see where the loopholes are in the law and incentive to leverage on it so they can pay less taxes and maximize profit. Approved enterprise within the zone are entitled to also import duty on manufactured goods processed or assembled in free zone and export to Nigeria custom territory. Export to Nigeria. If exported outside, there is no duty to be paid. There are a lot of them in Nigeria, and you see. But what are the things you can do in the zone? Textile, electrical, electronics, food processing, wood product, plastic, fertilizer, agriculture, steel, these are all manufacturing, oil and gas, biofuel, recycling, cosmetics, leather and handcraft, logistics, warehousing, pharmaceutical, printing, materials, machinery, shipbuilding, mining, power generation, and estate development. Now, why do people use free trade zone? Number one, you can defer import duty payment. If I bring it to the zone today, I won't pay duty. When I finish production and I want to ship to Nigeria, I will not pay duty later, so I can save some cash. I can defer duty payment. Number two, no duties are set if I am shipping out of the zone to Ghana. So I won't pay import duty, I won't pay export duty, no fee at all if I'm shipping out. Processing goods within the zone can eliminate or lower tariff. Duty can be avoided for defective goods. You know, in Nigeria, you can import bad quality goods. You will have paid duty before you realize the good is bad. And you have that be double loss, right? But if I'm free trade zone, you know when I brought it in, I didn't pay duty, right? And I'm supposed to process and sell in Nigeria and pay duty. But because it's a bad product, I won't be able to sell in Nigeria, right? And I won't pay duty selling in Nigeria. Do you understand? But if I'm not in a free trade zone, I'll bring in the goods. The quality is bad, and I've lost money already. I will still pay duty on bad goods. Only that I will only be able to see the content after I pay duty, because I'm not clear. Until I clear and pay duty, I will be able to know. But if I'm in free trade zone, I will bring it in without duty. See the content is bad, I will discard it, and I won't have to pay because I won't be shipping it to the